And the first time ever come close to a crocodile, so.
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment. Bang, 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 connect! Boy, people, may I tell you, say, you say, who can't hear, I go feel it. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. People, you see them crocodile, they are extremely dangerous. You see what I say? These things are wild animals, and may I tell you, say, them no ramp, you know. You see what I say? But you see when Jamaican people don't used to these kind of creatures, them always choose to ramp with it. You see what I say? People will need to be very vigilant and very careful. See the rain stop you now, so the water are going to subside and them crocodile can go back to their natural habitat soon. You see what I say? But if you don't see them people, leave them alone. Channel star, may I tell you, who can't hear, I go feel. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Yo, people, to subscribe it free, yeah? Because people always believe, say, you have to pay for subscribe. No, man, it's free, brother. Subscribe for free. You see me? I'm out.